Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this episode we will be learning how to share your Roblox profile link. If you want to share your Roblox profile link with friends safely and quickly, whether you want to make a new friend, join groups or showcase your creations, sharing your profile is super quick and easy. First of all, launch the Roblox app open on your device and make sure that you're logged in. Once you're logged in, from the home page, go ahead and click on your profile picture at the top left corner. This will bring up a pop-up where you'll see Share Profile button. Tap on it and then you can go ahead and copy your profile link. Click on the copy button, and once you've copied your profile link, you can share your link wherever you want to share it. You can use any messaging applications, email, SMS, and choose your friend to share it directly with your friend. Always ensure you are sharing safely and not posting personal info publicly. And that's how you can easily share your Roblox profile link with friends or new communities. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.